In front of me is Realme C51 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access display. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Then tap on the best option for you in order to apply it: Auto or Smooth and Save Power 60 Hz. So when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!